How to copy and add CTB file in AutoCAD. Click the upper tab logo. Select Print tab. Under Print tab, select Manage Plot Styles. Copy your CTB file. Paste it to your Desire folder or drive. Now that we have the copy of CTB file, we can install or add it on our other Windows or PCs. Copy the CTB file to your Desire folder. Type options. Select Printer Support File Path. Click Add, browse the folder of CTB file. Click Apply and OK. Check the CTB if it's there by simply typing Plot or Print. See, we did it, guys. It's already installed or added. Optional, pwede mong i-check ang CTB file mo gamit ang preview ng layout plot. Salamat sa panonood.
Now it's done.